A very good morning, dear children. Nowadays, we are, you can say, revise the syllabus of UT, June UT. In this part or in this UT, we will be having tenses in grammar portion. So we are revising that portion only. So today we start this. Correct the following sentences using proper tense form. So these are certain sentences, dear children. We need to rewrite them by making them correct in sense and tenses as well. Okay, so I start first. I am liking it very much. Okay, so on the place of this one, this worksheet talks about the correction of the sentences. I am liking it very much, so answer will be I like it very much. I like it very much. Okay, second, she is knowing you very well. So the answer will be she knows you very well. Next one, Mohit is seeing the bus coming. Dear children, here we have two continuous, here and here. This is like you can say non-finite has been used, especially gerund has been used over there. So this is will change into Mohit sees the bus coming. Okay, next one, it rains now, we can't go out. There are two parts. It rains now, so it will change it to it's raining now, we can't go out. We can't go out. Next one, water vapor is condensing to form clouds. This is very a common thing. Okay, so it would be like this: water vapor condenses to form clouds. Okay, next one, Madhu is always writing beautiful poems. So this one shows a common type of truth, so it would be like Madhu always writes beautiful poems. Okay, then the moon is going around the sun. This is truth, so it will come into present tense, present indefinite, so it would be like the moon, okay, goes around the earth. Okay, and last one is, these students prepare for these exams these days, their exams these days. So this is continuous one, so it would be like these students are preparing for their exams these days. Okay, so these are the right answer of these one. It means we have made some possible changes in these sentences to make them grammatically correct. Now next one, again the same part. Following sentences need to be corrected. Like, I am understanding the poem now. Okay, so it would be like I have understood the poem now. Second thing, it would be like this: I understand. It also can be I understand the poem now. Next one, the rose is always smelling sweet. Answer will be the rose smells. The rose always, sorry, the rose always smells sweet. Okay. Then next one is common truth, and you can say moral also. As you sow, okay, so shall you reap. Okay, so this will is deleted from this one. So as you sow, so shall you reap. Next, the sun is always rising in the east. This is also common truth. So answer will be the sun rises. So the sun always rises in the east. Okay, then 2 and 2 are making 4. So answer will be 2 and 2 makes 4. 2 and 2 makes 4. Next one, when you come to see us tomorrow. Okay, so there will be some correction on the place of this. What? When you come to see us tomorrow. So answer will be when will you come to see us? Then question mark. Okay, thereafter question mark. Next one, Rohi is working in this firm for 10 years. So answer will be Rohit has been. Okay, this is for the time. Rohit has been working in this firm for 10 years. For 10 years. Okay, and last sentence of this exercise is, if you will go to Ludhiana, buy a good shawl for me. So this is one conditional beta. So we will write this sentence: if you go to Ludhiana, okay, buy a good shawl for me. Okay, so there is the conditional will be present to present, but here it is future to present. So it will be like present to present. If you go to Ludhiana, buy a good shawl for me. Okay, then next worksheet is, there is an error in the form of verb in each of the following lines. Find the error, write the incorrect word and the correction in your answer sheet as given below. Remember to underline the word that you have supplied. Okay, so first example, see, an elder sister come from the town to visit. So in this line the error is come and answer is came. Okay, so in next line, a younger one, this one line, the elder one was Mary. So correction is Mary. Okay, and answer will be married. Answer will be married. Okay, thereafter treatment, the younger have a peasant as husband. The younger have a peasant as husband. So here it will be, it is you can say error, and it will be had. We will change into had. Okay, next one, as the two was drink tea. Okay, so here it will be like if I talk about two things, like one thing is going on in past and second thing is over, so both the thing will be in past indefinite, so it will be like this. The correction is was drink, so it will be drank. Means to say, as the two drank tea and talked, the elder sister, the mistake is begin, and answer will be begin. 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 Okay. To boast and make much of her life in town, how she lived and go out. See, this is present. Most of the part of this paragraph is in second form or in past, so it will be like went, went, went about. The younger sister was waxing at this. Okay, the younger sister was waxing at this. Waxing at this. So answer it will be waxed. V-E-X-E-D. V-E-X-E-D. Waxed. At this, and she retort by running down the life of a tradesman's wife. So correction is retort, and answer will be retorted. Fine. Then she knowingly exalt her own country life. So this is mistake, and this will be exalted. Got it? So this is one practice in which we have found out the error and we made them correct. Got it? Next one is, in the following passage one word has been omission. This is beta this is omission, omitted. One word has been omitted. In each line write the missing word along with the word that comes before and the word that comes after it in your answer sheet. Ensure that the word that forms your answer is underlined as shown below. So one example is done in this one, like, when I arrived at the station yesterday. This is one sentence, first one, and answer is arrived. On the place of arrived, it will be arrived. Okay. Then next one, Sunita was waited for me eagerly. Okay. So error is this one, and it will be waiting. Okay. Sunita was waiting for me eagerly. She was stand near the gate of her compartment. So mistake is stand. Standing. She was standing. She had wearing a blue dress. See, there is mistake. Had wearing. So it would be, she was wearing a blue dress and she looks very pretty. So she wore. Okay. So it will be like was wearing. You can put it like this. Was wearing, and she looked very pretty. On the place of looks, it will be looked. Looked very pretty. As soon as she seeing me. As soon as she seeing me. So on the place of seeing, what would be? Saw. Okay. Saw me. She shouted something, but I could not heard clearly. On the place of heard, what would be? Hear. Okay. Because after modal auxiliaries, we use only first form of verb, and it is given second or third, you can say. Okay. This is second exercise beta. Now we come to third one. Again we need to find out there is some omission here. Again let's search out. Man depending on plants ever since life began. So mistake is man has depended. Okay, so here will be has. Okay, next one, the reason varies. Okay, So answer will be for food, shelter and clothing. Answer will be here. The reasons are various, because we are doing omission, so we need to find out the word which has been omitted in the passage or paragraph. The reason are various for food, shelter and clothing. Next one, the destruction of plants being a cause of concern to him. The destruction of plants, so here it would be has been. Okay, the destruction of plants has been a cause of concern to him. Hence, he to preserve plants from calamities. Hence, he. Okay, so here it will be he has to. Again, he has to preserve plants from calamities. Got it? Next one, he various methods to overcome these calamities. So here it would be, you can say he uses. Okay, you can start uses or he tries, anyone. He uses various methods or he tries various methods to overcome these calamities, or even you can use also he applies. Okay, anyone. Next, scientists have the process of tissue culture. Okay, scientists have the process of tissue culture. Scientists have succeeded over there. Succeeded, succeeded, whereby complete plant can developed from just a part of the plant. So here the error is B. Complete plant can be developed from just a part of the plant. Okay, this has to be a boon to the growers. Got it? This. So here, what is the omission in this sentence? This has been on the place of to, been a boon to the growers. This technique a very simple process. This technique is a very simple process. Is in, simply you say is or is in, a very simple process. Okay, got it? So this is the omission. Next one, dear children, again today's last exercise is this one for revision of the tenses. See, yesterday when Naina the dance party. Okay, see omission. So yesterday when Naina what reached the dance party at her cousin's house, see that. So omission is there. See what it would be. She observed. Okay, or see, or you can write it observed or she saw. Anyone you can write over there. Okay, like in this one I have done in the paragraph only, so you can write here also. So this one, she observed that many of her friends gathered there already. Many of her friends gathered over, or gathered over. Okay, she bought sweets for all of them. She bought some sweets. You can write here some or a lot of, or a lot. So most commonly appropriate is some sweet for all of them. Her cousin posted invitation in advance. Her cousin posted. Okay, invitation means here the invitation. Posted the invitation in advance and had to keep the party on Sunday. So this had would be replaced by was to keep the party on Sunday. She prepared a cake the previous night. Okay, she prepared a cake the previous night. So here you can change it like this. She prepared the cake on the previous night. So here it would be, the right answer will be on the previous night. Which in everyone and praised her. Which everyone, here you can add the word enjoyed or tasted. Anyone and praised her. Everyone happy and cheerful. So the omission will be here. Everyone felt happy and cheerful. Okay, so these are the practice that we have done today, dear children. Let me show you again. First, what did we do? First, we changed these sentences. We made them correct. Okay, in the same way, this is the second one that we have practiced in today's lecture. Then we have done this editing, this omission, and other two exercises based on omission. So, dear children, that's all for today. I hope you have got the point. And in examination, most commonly I just tell you, in final examination, such things they appear, like whether it is editing or omission. Tenses will be assessed in these two forms most commonly. Okay, so prepare yourself for this level. Okay, that's all for today. Have a good day.